Hey, everyone. I hope you all are doing well on today. As for myself, I am doing wonderful. Okay, so let me just give you a couple of quotes for today. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what it is your destiny is. So, um, once you do that, implement it, do it. And also, my favorite quote, let your faith be bigger than your fear. All right. So, my name is Roxy, and I'm here to talk about everything's money. And we're going to talk about 3 hot job leads, some part time, some side hustles, full time. Okay. Stay tuned. Alrighty. So, the first one I have on my agenda today is appointment setter. All right. And this is with SpeakEasy Authority Marketing. Okay. Attorney marketing specialist, actually. So, what does an appointment setter do? All right, you'll have a daily list of warm leads, like i.e. attorneys and others who have responded to our various marketing campaigns, and then we'll give you a script that we know works, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what you're going to say. Your job is to call the people on the list and follow the script. Make sure they qualify and then schedule them for a strategy session with our specialist. All right, that's basically in a nutshell what you'll be doing. Now, you can take up to 150 calls, which will get you a conversation with between 10 to 20 prospects, depending on whether you're having a good day or bad day. All right. Now, we've experienced this for a long time, and a solid appointment setter can do at least 4 to 5 hours. All right. Now, some days could take longer. Now, what does this mean? It means that when you find your groove, it's entirely possible that you'll be able to complete your day's work in a few hours and keep the rest of the day for whatever you want to do. So this is awesome. Now, this position is a 1099, which means you are basically self-employed and you're not an employee. But you will be paid a daily compensation of $50. All right. You'll receive a $300 bonus for reaching 7 appointments in a calendar week and $75 bonus for every appointment set thereafter. Additionally, you'll receive a bonus of $250 for every appointment that results in a sale. Now, for the qualifications, if you're interested in this career, you should have a little bit of sales, marketing, business, or entrepreneurship experience. So, you do need to have good high speed internet and a quiet place to work. Okay, you're going to use your own computer and your own headset. Now, if you need a headset, you can go up there to Walmart or any place like that and purchase a headset that do not cost that much. I mean, I have one and mine costs about $15 to $20. It wasn't that much. So, training and support, we have a formal onboarding process, our program, and you'll receive your scripts, procedures, checklists, everything else you need to get started with. All right. We'll also listen to recordings of some of your calls and provide ongoing coaching in the form of a weekly team meetings and continual one-on-one training to help you improve your performance. So I think this is awesome. Really, to be honest with this position, you don't have to really have any experience, not that much experience at all. You just have to be willing and ready to do what is set forth for you to do. You can keep working as an appointment setter and continue making around 2,000 to 4,000 per month while working a 4 to 5 hour day. So it's up to you. It just depends on how hard you're going to work at it. You can move into a specialist role where you'll turn these qualified appointments into clients and earn a commission. Now, this involves potentially 1 to 3K or more in commissions weekly, depending on number of deals you close. All right. So if you are interested in this position, they do have a link for you to go ahead and click. And it says to call this below and follow the instructions as well. So you could do either or. All right. So the next job that I have for you all is a position with It's called Ritual Company. That's the company. It's a Norwegian customer relations ambassador. Again, all of my jobs that I talk about on this channel is remote from home. Okay. So it says customer relationship ambassador rituals. Can you elevate customer relations into an inspiring experience for the customers and provide high levels of customer care? Do you have a passion for creating unique experiences within the well-being industry? And if it sounds like you, then you should apply for this position. And just to talk about what you'll be doing in this role, you are the voice of the customer and assist them with any question, concern, advice, or moment of joy. Creating experiences, thinking outside the box, and being creative in offering the right solution is required. If sharing an experience with their customer is what motivates you, then you're a match to become an enthusiastic customer relations ambassador. For at least 20 hours per week, more hours are possible if you desire. Okay. Now, if you support Rituals customers on phone, email, and direct messaging, have the ability to genuinely interact, help, inspire, and be creative in your answers, live the Rituals brand, and transform customers' everyday routines into more meaningful moments with your service, work for the award-winning company, number one, most friendly customer service. All right, so that's how you could possibly earn more hours also. So it talks about joining the team and, if this is you, high on energy, low on ego, and with a little bit of humor. If you are available between 20 and 40 hours per week, are a true problem solver and helping people makes you flourish, are patient and maintain professional and polite behavior, are customer focused, quality oriented, and have excellent verbal and written communication skills, a fluent level and master of the English and Norwegian language. Okay. Now it has the guys with the benefits. So you'll read that information here and all that great stuff. It talks about the company, for its ritual, how they operate. Now, if you are interested in the position, it is a quick and easy application process here. You'll just apply for this job here at the bottom. You'll put in your first and last name, your email, your phone, and upload your resume, okay? And it has a few more questions for you to go ahead and answer. All right, so that's it on this particular position here. All right, and the next job I have for you is this one is full time. It's with Exemplis, and it's an order entry rep position. Okay. All right, so as an order entry representative, you will be an integral part of the team that ensures 400 plus orders per day are entered with the highest level of urgency and accuracy. All right, so just a few of your responsibilities and essential functions here. You will enter orders from first in the queue system. Minimum daily order requirement must be met. All right, assist customer support representatives are proofing of acknowledgments, running necessary order entry reports as required, assist in parts entry, literature fulfillment, and other administrative duties to improve performance to the customer as well. All right, qualifications, skills, and education, high school diploma or GED, 2+ years work experience in data entry, ability to pass assessment and measuring typing speed and accuracy. All right, so you have that qualifications here, and it talks about, of course, Exemplis, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And to go ahead and apply now, you will click this apply now button at the bottom of the right hand corner here, or you could click at the top right hand corner and apply. Okay, I try to go ahead and go through the videos because I know you all do not like you want to get to the meat of the video, so that's what I'm trying to do here. So if I went too fast, I do apologize. I just want to go ahead and get this information out to you. Now, again, all the links that I talk about in my videos will be in my description box below, and if you're not sure how to get to that, I do have a video to show you how to get to those links. Okay, now in the meantime, if you do like this content and you want to see more videos like this, for us making money, period, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you also applied to any of these positions, and also if you got hired, okay? I do want to hear from you all. And good luck to everybody that applied. And have a great and lovely day. Bye-bye for now. Oh yeah, just to add on about the typing test too. This is the typingtes.com. I also did a video just showing you how it works. But yes, so make sure you get your skills up on doing a typing test, because I see in some of these job leads, they do require you to be able to type a certain speed. So you want to go to this site. This site is completely free, and you want to go ahead and get your typing skills up, okay? All right, now I'm going for real. Bye, guys.
To get you cry. Thank you.